Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can disable the vibration at the Redmi 14C. Even if you have muted your phone, you're still having the vibration at notifications. Let me show you how you can off it. For that we will need the settings form. So just scroll down here, tap down here on the symbol for the settings. Then you need to go to the point sound and vibration. And you will find a bit below the point, here it is, vibrate in silent mode, and you have to turn this off so that it's marked gray, and as well of course the first point here, vibrate for calls, both have to be turned off so that it's marked gray. You're still having a vibration here on the navigation bar, so if you tap one of these buttons you will have a little vibration. If you as well wanted to turn it off, then you need to tap here on vibrate on tap and go here on off. That means even if you tap now here buttons on the navigation bar, the vibration is gone. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And yeah, maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in with some more tips and tricks and so on. Or you can also subscribe me if you haven't done it before. Thank you so much for all your support, and yeah, maybe the next time. Ciao.